What's up, guys? I'm just gonna give you a brief what happened. CPI data came out bullish, 3.2, 3.0 inflation. I didn't want to trade this because we were way above premium, but I did notice that CPI was going to sell because if you look at, we have SMTs here. Nasdaq made a new high. Wow. S&P 500 failed to take out this high. So I just knew when we're in a macro 820, this thing was going to melt as it's doing right now. So currently I looked for a setup which is like 850 macro, which is this actually. Look at this sell side, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We filled it, and look what we have here, inverted fair value gap. So I entered here, as you can see the macro here, 851. Well, the tightest stop loss of the opening, which is 12 pips. But on futures, I'm actually risking like 1 point or 2 points. Well, the tightest stop loss. I do not want to see price even coming back here. We should actually go down here. So that's actually my trade idea. Yeah, target the lows, and yeah, this is the weekly opening. As you can see on the weekly, we just opened, but we did not create the wick at manipulation. So we are going to create that manipulation. Market just opened, but without that wick. So keep that in mind. I've been targeting those lows ever since the market left. So yeah, that's actually the trade idea though. Simple, but anyways, I'll just believe in my setup.